Ready?
It's very nerve-wracking sometimes.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Alright, what side?
Left side.
This side?
Usually, which side,
side.
boys?
Yeah.
Left side, right?
This is the busiest the mall has been today.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I thought everybody left because it's about to close.
No, because it was raining all day, so I guess everybody's coming now. You excited? Scared?
No? Are you nervous?
But he was happy at home.
No, don't be scared, okay? Right there, Mama?
Yeah. Hmm.
Alright.
All right.
1, 2, 3.
All right.
You
Look at
done.
me. You got it. Did it hurt? How
You
much?
did such a good job! It was so great. Okay, you all done.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so